mastering bring to front in Canva is like having control over who gets the spotlight in your design. Imagine a photo with text on top, but some text gets hidden by the picture. Bring to front lets you click that picture and move it forward on top of the image, so it's clear and easy to read. It's about arranging things in your design to look really nice. All right, so that's what the video is about. I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. So here we are in this page, and there we have a lot of elements like this. So I like to move this one behind, so I'll also add some transparency. I like to add this behind because I want to add some text here. So what I have to do also, I'm gonna remove this one here. I can right click on this element, and here I see layer, so I can here send to back. But hold up, that's one method. But I'm going to show you the second method, which is here you can send to back, which will send all the way back, you know. But if you click on send back, this will send just one element back, if that's the right way to explain it. So you send will send just one element behind, behind one element will send this, not all the way to back. But you can also click here, actually let me demonstrate, and click send to back, will send all the way to the last element. But now you can also right click here and select show layers, and we can see here all the layers here. We can see that this is all the way back. We can also change the order here, and that's the second method to move elements, to send element to front or send it back. Now we have the element again back and forth. Now we can also send this maybe here, but another method actually is the same method, the first one, but use shortcuts. Instead of right clicking here, 2 clicks, second click and fourth click. Now you can just instead of clicking here, you can use the shortcuts, and you can see here all the shortcuts that you can use to send back and forth, to bring to front, or to send to back, or to send backward or forward. So I hope you found this Canva tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.